Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Skillset.co. In this video we will learn how to show a toast message in Android using Kotlin language. So as you can see, we have a blank screen with a button. So on click of a button we will be showing a toast message. So first let's change the text of the button. Click to show toast. So we have changed the text of the button. As you can see, we have entered a small letters also, but here we will be seeing all the capital letters. So just have attribute text all caps to false. So as you can see, we will be seeing the text same as we entered here. So on click of this button we will be showing a toast message. So we need to implement on click listener for this button. So this layout is linked to this activity. So in this activity just add a on click listener for the button. So the button, we need to access the button with using the ID of the button. The ID of the button is button itself. So button dot set on click listener. So in this we will be showing a toast. So just use toast from Android widget and use make text method. So make text method will take a context we can pass this means the activity itself, and the second parameter is the actual text we need to show in the toast message. Let's enter this is toast message, and in third parameter we need to mention the how long it can be shown. So toast has options like length long and length short. Let's use length long. So we have created a toast, but we need to show the toast, otherwise it can't be visible. So we have created a toast. So let's run this app and see whether we will be getting this message in toast or not. So as you can see, the Gradle build is running. So we are using a simulator for demonstrating this. So here you can see we got the button click to show toast. Just click and see the toast message. Here you can see this is toast message, and it will be seeing nearly 5 seconds. So now if you want to change the position of the toast, we can set a position of the toast before showing. So let's remove the toast and let's save it in a variable toast, and after creating a toast just set the position. Set, we can use gravity or margin. So let's use gravity. So gravity, we can use no gravity or left, right, center. Let's use left for demo purpose, and we can position the offset of x and offset of y. For now just provide 0 0, and now after setting the position, now show it. Now let's see where the position of the text will be, toast will be. The build is running. Is getting installed. Now the app is installed. Let's click the button and see the toast. So here you can see this is toast message we have seen in the left side and center. So this is how we will show a toast message in Android, and we can set the position of the toast with using gravity or with using the margin. I hope you liked this video and understood how to show a toast message. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.